Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover and this is the tutorial for my BTS Serendipity inspired nail art. Start off by applying base coat to all of your fingernails. I'm using Untitled Chapter base coat. Then paint your thumb a light blue and the rest of your fingernails a dark navy blue. Then for the four darkest nails, I'm going to be using small pieces of sponge to apply white polish at the tip. So you just need a bit of white polish and just sort of blend that into the background so that it kind of looks like fog or mist. And then I'm going to be adding a second layer of white, but don't apply too much so that it is too bright against the background. And next I'm going to be adding the bright blue to sort of blend the white into the background. And then I'm going to be applying a thin layer of a thinned out white polish on top of the white portion in order to blend it out and make it smoother. And then take another small piece of sponge to apply the medium blue shade in the general area where you intend to draw the moon. Next, I'm going to be taking a thinned out white polish and drawing a circle that is split between two nails, the ring and pinky fingernails. And I put more of the circle on the pinky fingernail, however that is totally up to you, but you just want to make sure that these two parts do line up and form a circle when you hold your fingernails together. And then I've thinned out some of the base blue color to create this slightly lighter shade, and I'm going to be adding these splotches that kind of represent craters and dark spots on the moon. And I'm also going over with the base color and a light blue. And then just go over top with more of the darker and lighter shades to create your desired combination of spots. And then I took the thinned out white polish and drew a ring around the moon, and I did that on both sides, of course. And then on top of this white portion, I'm going to add a bit of a thinned out blue so that it looks like the moon is glowing. Next, I'm going to be using black polish to draw the ledge that Jimin is sitting on, and that extends halfway into the middle fingernail. I created a lighter portion of the base to make this ledge 3D, and then I sponged on more of the brighter blue so that the stars will have a glow around them. Take black polish to draw the silhouette of Jimin sitting on the ledge with his legs dangling over the edge. And then I'm just using a thin brush to apply little specks of white polish everywhere to represent the stars in the sky, and some of these are going to be bigger because I was a bit heavier handed in those areas, but I will go over top with the base color to sort of blend those into the background and also to take away some of the white. And then I'm just going to add a few globs of hollow glitter in select areas to brighten it up and also to add more stars. Then apply a generous layer of top coat to these four nails, and we'll be moving on to the thumbnail. For the thumbnail design, I'm going to be replicating the image of Jimin sitting in a room looking out into the ocean and holding on to his yellow balloon. So I started with a light beige color to lay down the base for the curtains, which I have on both sides. Once the curtains are opaque, then take a medium turquoise shade and just mark off the area where you want the ocean to be, and for me that is slightly beneath the middle and going maybe halfway in between that line and the edge of the nail. And next we'll be creating a gradient using various shades of blue on the area above the ocean, which is the sky. Next, go over this turquoise area with some thinned out white polish in order to add the waves, sea foam, and other definition into the ocean. And next I'm going to be adding a fluffy white cloud in the middle of the sky by using a bit of white polish on the tip of my brush and just kind of feathering it out. And then I'm going to be using a medium tan polish to add the floorboards that Jimin is sitting on. Next, I'm going to highlight the folds in the curtain by adding white polish in select areas. Make sure these areas are thin and light. Next, I'm going to be adding the shadows casted by these folds using the same tan polish that I used for the floorboards. Next, I'm going to be using a tan to draw in Jimin's head and mix that with white for the shirt. Then take a bright yellow and draw in the balloon. I used a golden yellow to draw the string. Use brown polish to separate the hair and the floor into its individual floorboards. Use a dark tan to mark out the arms. Use a light tan to add highlights and scratches on the floorboards. To add a brighter highlight, use white polish. Use brown to further shade the arm area as well as the back. Then I finished up the shading on the curtains. Apply a generous layer of top coat and you're done. And that is my BTS Serendipity nail art tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye everyone!